Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a character picture but with a GIF. Now, for the first thing that you guys want to make sure you do is when you open your GIF up in Photoshop, you want to make sure to go click on window and click animation, because that'll bring up this whole stuff right here on the bottom so that you can play the GIF once you're done with it. Now, I went ahead and already designed the picture that I'm going to put in there. All of these 4 pictures I found off the internet. I did not edit any of them. So the only thing that I did was paste them into one full picture. So we're going to use this picture. We're going to hit Control-C. And then when you paste something onto the GIF, you want to make sure it's on the last layer. Because if you don't, this will happen. When you paste it, now of course it's going to be a lot bigger than I want it to be. Let's try it again. So we're going to scale it down. Now it's going to be really small, but it's okay. I did this once with a different picture and I absolutely loved how it turned out, so I wanted to do it again. So you hit OK. Now watch what happens. Once you get past the 16th slide, watch what happens. So you got it, it goes away. So after the 16th slide, it's no longer there. So you always want to make sure that it is on the very top layer. So that way it's there throughout your whole entire GIF. Alright. So the next thing that we're going to do, is we are going to add some text. Once again, you want to make sure you're on the top layer. Now, text can be a little bit tricky sometimes, because sometimes it won't show up on every single slide like it's supposed to. So sometimes you gotta paste it to in between every single freaking slide. And it's a pain in the butt. But hopefully it won't do that. So we're gonna, sorry, my computer is apparently deciding to spaz out a little today. So what I want to do, so we got that. Change the color. And what I'm going to do, I don't know if I'm going to be able to select it. There's a border. There we go. Use the border color that I used in the picture. Now, I know a lot of you are probably thinking, well, why didn't you use white for the name Snow? Well, that's just not original, so this is what we're doing. So, alright, one thing that I still haven't learned how to fix, when you add effects to the text itself. For some reason, sometimes it doesn't apply to all the layers. Now, if anybody has any idea how to fix that problem, please let me know, because I've been trying to figure it out for like forever. And most of the time what I end up having to do is apply the effects to every layer. Now let's see if Photoshop decides to do it correctly. Of course not. You know what I'm gonna, let's see. If I put it on the top. Nope. Alright, so what we're gonna have to do, now this is the part, one of the things that is a pain in the butt. So what you're gonna do, or what I do when I have this issue, is I create a new style. And you do that by clicking this little box over here. And you'll hit OK. So then that way, as you go to every layer, now you have to physically click on the layers down here, or else it won't show up. So, you go to every layer, and you apply the effects. Like I said, this is just one of those things that is a pain in the ass. And if you guys know how to fix this problem, please do let me know. Because this is something that I've had issues with for a while, and I haven't figured out what I'm doing to fix this problem. So, essentially, the GIF is pretty much finished. So, as you can see, when you play the GIF, now it's all in there correctly. So, yeah. Oh, one thing that I also want to mention is if you want to resize it, what I would do is I would put everything in there first and then resize the picture. Try not, if you're gonna mess with the height, so because that way it sizes everything together, and as you can see, it doesn't really, mess up anything. So yeah, let's see how this looks on TLC. I'll show you guys. Oh, another thing, when you save it, make sure to save for web and devices, because then it'll save it as a GIF instead of just saving it as an image. That's one thing that you always want to make sure. So, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to go to my edited file, and then go to Imgur, now, I'm not exactly sure, I'm not completely positive how this is going to turn out on the website, because it's a little bit wider than I usually do for pictures. But we're going to test it out anyways. Now, if any of you guys ever want to check out any of my other pictures, I do have a thread in the art shop called Black Hole. If you would like to, I can have the link be put in this video, but it's pretty easy to find. Now, some of my stuff on here is actually from Gaia, so some of the stuff is not meant for pro boards. Sometimes bigger pictures take longer to upload. Alright, so we're gonna see if this is too big or not. Oops. That is the wrong code. Wait, no it's not. Alright, so let's see how this looks. As you can see, I've done a lot of pictures. Maybe too many for my own good, but oh well. Alright. So luckily, it actually fits pretty well, as you can see. The width isn't too much, so. But yeah, if you guys ever want to check out all the stuff that I've done, I have them in this blog. In the art shop's called the Black Hole. If you have any questions or anything, just let me know. You can message me on TLC. My name is Sonyaxblack, and so yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later, guys.